everyone. I just made an entire video on the subject I'm right now going to share, and I deleted the whole thing because it was too long. I want to keep this compact, I want to keep this short. Okay, so getting to the point, this whole idea of vlogs that I'm creating is to share my life and what I learn, and through this field of pathology, this knowledge that we get here through what I'm learning and what I'm sharing here, at somewhere someone could benefit for the healing of cancer, because knowledge always helps, especially when it's committed towards a particular path, particular thought in mind, cancer healing in this case. So in our department, in the department of pathology, there are three specific subdivisions. One is hematology, one is cytopathology, one is histopathology. Hematology deals with blood related all conditions, whether it's anemias, cancers, malaria, all conditions you can study in depth and look under a slide when you take a blood sample. In cytopathology, what you're doing is if there's a lump somewhere, or there's some kind of a lesion, some form of mass which is there on the body, that can be taken with a needle. It can be aspirated and put on a slide, stained, and observed under a microscope. In histopathology, what's done is the same mass, if it's there in the body, it could be cut into a slice, and that slice itself would be placed on the slide and stained. Of course, not directly. There is a certain processing for that the tissue sample goes under, and then it's placed on the slide, and then uh, there's a particular way in which it's done, and then it's observed. So when you look at it under a microscope, you can see individual cells. Every cell, every structure nearby the cells can be looked at through this method. And as a pathologist, you are studying every change happening in the body in depth. It's a kind of a very core level study of a disease, and that's what can help us in this cause of healing of cancer. I know I'm talking again and again about healing of cancer. However, I just want to keep the whole relevancy of what I am talking about here related to our larger vision. So I'm right now sitting in my lab. It's very early in the morning. I have been like up all night pretty much and making this video for you to get introduced to this whole concept of what we have as a pathologist. As we go ahead, I will share some more videos about individual uh, diseases that I may have understood up till now. Apologies if I make any mistakes, and this is a learning process for me as well. I'll probably put a note below asking for apology in advance in case there is any mistakes. Uh, but I'll do my best to keep the information solid and relevant, as well as detailed and in a fun way that can be grasped. Many people can benefit from this, not only the people who are specifically in the healing of cancer, dealing with that aspect, especially people who are just right now starting off understanding the medical field, in pathology for that matter. So, cheers, folks. Just wanted to share this information, and can healers, cheers.